This is the review of the Echo One M4 RIS Rail Interface System Airsoft gun. I'll start with the externals first and try to be as in-depth as possible. It has a plastic collapsible buttstock, 6 positions with a metal shaft. It has a plastic upper and lower receiver with metal hardware. It has 2 metal push pins, one here, for ease of field stripping. It has a metal dust cover, metal magazine release, metal trigger guard, as well as a metal fire selector switch, which has the same resistance to motion as the issued M4. It has a metal charging handle, which, when activated, pops open the dust cover to reveal the hop-up system. Same function as the issued M4. On the rear, it has a rear flip sight, 2 settings, short and long range. For using NVG goggles, use the long range. It has a metal wrist rail on top. Down here it has a metal D-ring, also known as a delta ring, for ease of removing the handguard. Shown here is with the standard battery box. It's a simple plastic battery box that holds an 8.4 volt battery. The handguard has 4 rail interface systems, one on top, 2 on each side, and 1 on the bottom, all of which are made out of metal. The D-ring, when pulled, removes the bottom cover to show the battery cable. It has a metal front sight with an adjustable metal post for elevation. It also has a metal barrel, and since it's sold in America, it comes with the orange tip. Now for the internals. I am not too knowledgeable on the internals of airsoft guns, but Echo One states that it will shoot at 350 feet per second. After firing my first 30 rounds, I chronoed them to shoot around 370 to 375 feet per second. It has all metal internals and can be easily replaced or upgraded with parts from Tokyo Marui, Classic Army, and other similar products, with no modification necessary. It has a metal inner barrel and the hop-up system. Next, I will show you some pictures of close-ups of the internals. Seen here is the M4, the standard battery, and the high cap magazine that came with the package. I'll now show you how the battery installs. This is an 8.4 volt, 1500 milliamp battery. It installs by taking off the back cover of the PEQ light, removal of the bottom of the handguard, fish the wire through one of the holes in the handguard, and connect the 2 wires. There is just enough wire to connect the 2 cables, so that way you don't have any loose wires hanging around. And then replace the battery, or replace the handguard cover. It comes with the high cap magazine, which is black in color. I put the blue tape on there to distinguish it from other people's magazines. And this is a knockoff of Classic Army's 300 round magazine. Almost exact replica. Magazine fits very easily into the magazine well, and removes just as easily. Shown here is the ease of upgrading Echo One's M4 airsoft gun. Right here I have my government issue vertical grip taken from my issued M4, as well as my tactical flashlight with laser pointer. On the reverse side, Echo One gives you 3 rail covers. These are heat resistant, made out of plastic, and have the metal release on the end. Also, I have my CQB tactical sling mount for my 3-point tactical sling. Besides the upgrades that I've just showed you, Echo One's M4 can be upgraded in many more ways. The buttstock can be easily removed to fit the new buttstock that will hold airsoft batteries or even the cheek piece. The rear flip sight can be removed with a flathead screwdriver, and for you carry handle enthusiasts, the carry handle will fit on top just fine. If you wish to use a red dot scope, I suggest elevating the red dot scope because the front sight will block the reticle. I bought this package from Echo One Airsoft. With the package, I got the gun, a 300 round high cap magazine which comes standard with the gun, 8.4 volt 1500 milliamp battery which also came with the gun, a case of 8 100 round magazines, all of which are made out of plastic. They don't rattle around like the high cap. An Echo One M16 quick loader, which is the exact same version as Tokyo Marui. It also has the flip pistol magazine loader, and not shown here is the MP5 adapter that goes with it. I received this entire kit plus free shipping and 5,000 round .2 gram BBs for a total of $257.01. The gun alone, which comes with what you see here plus the wall charger, which is not shown, is only $155, and the quality is just as good or even better as Tokyo Marui and Classic Army combined. If you are a beginner or you're looking for a good competition weapon, I recommend and highly recommend Echo One Airsoft.